Alright guys, so this is winter 2025. The heaviest snowfalls ever. Just within 1 week. We got a lot of snow. I did shovel last night. Some already. And now it came down again to over my ankles now. Probably, I don't know, 10 inches of snow. Look at that. Look at the roof of my cars. Look at the side of my driveway. Is how much of snow up there. And we can barely have room to put snow now. I can't do by hand anymore. It's time to take out the snow blower. Look at that. How much snow. Yeah. Time to take out the snow blower. I don't want to shovel anymore. And yeah, I did some by hand last night. Look at over here. Jesus Christ. Oh, look at my van and look at the side. How much snow we have just this week alone, since Sunday. Yeah, still falling down lightly. All right, so this is my backyard. Look how much snow we have here. That was like what, up to my knees. Yeah. Yep, we're over my knees now. This one's untouched here. Look at it. Oh. Yeah, right out to my knees. So give me snow pants. Look at that. And look at my pond. Holy smoke. Snow is halfway to the bridge handrails. No wonder I got no more signal from the camera underneath there. Look at my shed roof. How much snow we have there. Oh, good snow to make an igloo. Snowman. Jeez. I think I should put on my snow pants. Well, time to take out my snow blower. Well, this week alone, I've used my snow blower 3 times already. And last year, I used only once last year. I was telling you how much snow we have this year. That's crazy. All right, so this is my snow blower. Let's open the gate. Yeah. Ooh. Get blocker. Let's run this side. Oh, fell off already. Okay. This beam. This beam up set it up here. All right. Okay. Let's see, we'll start. Prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One pull, so start. Nope. 2 pull. Nope. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 2, 3, 4. Nothing in there. I think I need some more gas. Yeah, top it up just in case. I filled it up last time and I used 2 times already. Probably a half tank or 1/4 now. May as well fill it up before it runs out in the middle of the job. And here I'm using the premium gas, which helps a lot on a cold start. I used to use a regular gas, and I had a hard time starting up in the cold. Every time I needed to use the snow blower. And for the last 2 years I've been using premium gas. It does help a lot. Every time I need to use it, I just start it up, no issue. Yeah, close at the top. There we go. Should be good for a few runs. All right, let's start it up again. Should be starting, no issue now. Well, that took me roughly an hour, including rescue the neighbor's car stuck in the snow. But I made a path to my shed here just for curiosity. See how many inches of snow we have here in the backyard. Good 20 inches. Yeah, 20 inches of snow here. Holy smoke. That's a lot of snow. Anyway, snow blower's working hard. Now we're gonna go to the front and do some touch up with the shovel. Job is not quite done yet. Yeah, snow blower can do the big job, but still need to do some touch up. Hopefully my new snow blower comes will do a better job. Smaller, easy to maneuver. And this thing is heavy, hard to maneuver. That's why I barely use it. Only just for the big snow falls like this. I have no choice but using it. It's like over here, we did already, but still some coming down again up here. So you put it. Soon as snowplow comes by, block the driveway again. I may have to bring out the snowplow again. Let's see when I'm gonna come. Right now the snow, the road is still covered in snow. Some people have a hard time going up the hill. Falling down, not quite over yet. Well, I have the Eagle 21-inch snow blower on order. So I should be getting it by next weekend. That will be a little bit easier to use than this big one. Well, this big one, I've been having it for 18 years now. They're running pretty well, but could be better, I guess, with a new model. But still running, still working. Just too heavy to maneuver. Yeah. Okay, my snow mountain. Then we want to use a tape measure to measure here. Probably 10 feet. Oh no, not 10 feet, 5 feet. 5 feet tall. Could move this car out and clean some more, but I think that's enough for today. Oh, I need to clean this one. It's important to keep this one clean too. Otherwise, the we have issue with the furnace. Yeah, gotta keep this area clean. This is radon gas exhaust, frozen. Time for a cold beer, but not quite yet. I'm gonna finish this one. That's it, folks. That's my story of the day today. Cleaning the snow. Crazy snow. The aftermath after the snowstorm this whole week. Yep. Just for 1 week. Alright. Stay warm. Stay cozy. Take care and see you next time. Bye for now.